Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you best travel insurance in 2026. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you are taking the whole family or just want a massive, all-inclusive inclusive safety net here, well, in this case, the first option or the first insurance that you may want to look at is going to be Alliance Travel Insurance first. Now, they are the heavyweight champion for comprehensive coverage, and their one trip Prime plan is an absolute game changer for parents. Now, it bundles major trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and evacuation logistic together, and it actually covers kids under 17 completely for free when they travel with an adult. Now, if your vacation is less about relaxing by a pool and more about like pushing physical limits, well, in this case, World Nomad should be your next stop or stop here. Now, in this case, most standard insurance policies will immediately cancel your coverage if you get hurt during anything remotely risky. But World Nomads here is built specifically for adrenaline junkies. They specifically cover over like 200 extreme activities, from skiing down alpine slopes to deep sea scuba diving, alongside a 24/7 emergency assistance hotline to back you up when you're off the grid. Now, if you fall somewhere in the middle and want a total control over your policy here or the policy features, well, in this case, AIG Travel Guard is the king here. So, in this case, AIG Travel Guard is the king of optional upgrades. So, they break their coverage down into four clear tiers: deluxe, preferred, essential, and pack and go. Now, this modular style makes it incredibly easy to protect against specific destination hiccups like severe travel delays or lost baggage without forcing you to pay for perks you don't actually care about. Now, on the other hand here, if your focus is strictly on top tier healthcare, especially for an extended trip lasting over 3 months, well, in this case, Geo Blue here may be one of your options here. So the thing with this one, but as of right now, it's now known as Blue Cross Blue Shield Global Solution. So it was previously Geo Blue. So in this case, it's tailored exactly for you. So their Voyager Choice plan is highly unique in the travel space because it provides a deep medical coverage that can even include pre-existing conditions, provided you already maintain a primary health plan back home in the US. And finally, we have what we call, or in this case, if you're simply looking to secure a solid medical shield on a rock bottom budget, well, IMG is going to be your best bet here. Now, they've been a trusted staple for over 20 years, offering incredibly affordable global medical plans. Instead of forcing you into a bloated package here, they allow you to customize your baseline policy with targeted add-ons like adventure sports or global terms like riders, ensuring your wallet stays on or stays as protected as your health. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.